Okay, we have part one of Me, Mr. Mustard off Abbey Road by the Beatles. And I wrote it in a way where we can, it's kind of complicated and may be difficult to play, but we can simplify it as well. So I'll show you how to do that at the end. But the way I've written it, I'll play it kind of at a medium tempo here. So I have that hopping bass line like that. So I'll show you how to do it that way, and then we'll do it an easier way at the end. So let's just take this first bottom line here, and I'll play that for you again. Actually, let's go ahead and do this line, or this box, and then we'll get to the rest of it. We mainly just have an E chord here. There's a lot of notes here, but there's only really a few things to do. You have an E octave, E on the thumb, E on the pinky. Here's middle C, so we're right here. Two of those. And then we're going to move up to the middle of the piano and have E, G sharp, and B together 2 times. And then we're going to go down to a B octave here. B on the thumb, B on the pinky 2 times. And then back up to that same E, G sharp, B. And it just does that, repeats that over and over again. You can see that here we have. Get that bom bom accompaniment that we need for this song, and that's how we do it in the first box, and also the second box here continues. So it's the same thing for this box as well. Now on the right hand we're going. Okay, we're going to start with an E, then a G sharp, and a C sharp on the right hand. Then change that C sharp to a B, do it 2 times, and then we'll have just the G sharp and the E 2 times, and then the E, G sharp, B all together. And then we have B, E, A together 2 times, and a single F sharp, and then B, E, A again, and then E and G sharp 2 times, and then G sharp, B, E, and then 2 F sharps, and then B, E, A right there, G sharp, E, and then right hand by itself there. Now, you just line up, you have that rhythm going all the way through. You just have to line up the hands. The left hand never stops. It's always going, and you just fit the right hand in where it goes. So let me play this whole bottom line in this box slowly so you can hear the rhythm. I'll do it really slow. Break the pattern, and we have an E octave, D sharp octave, C sharp octave, F sharp octave, ba 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 bum. Okay, you can hear that plainly in the recording. And then we move on. But anyway, we go a little more faster here. Let's continue right here. Now the left hand is going to have the same kind of pattern that we did down here, just on a different chord, on a B major chord instead of an E major. So B octave, way down here, B octave, B on the thumb, B on the pinky. And we'll do that 2 times, and then we'll be up to a D sharp, F sharp, B right here, 2 times. And then we're going to go down to an F sharp octave, way down here, 2 times. And then back up to the same chord. I'm not going to go through that because it's just repeating. Then here at the end it changes. B, octave C, C sharp, D. So we have ba-da-ba-ba. And then we go here and we have D octave. We're going to do the same pattern but on a D7 chord. 2 Ds. And then come up to F sharp, A, and C. If you'd like to put a D on the bottom of that, that would be okay whenever you have that chord. If you're just comfortable with the 3 notes, then just leave it like that. But D octave, then we come up to F sharp and A 2 times, then down to an A octave 2 times. So that's what we're doing through here. And then here we have bum, 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 bum. So we have D octave, C sharp, C, and then B. And then I put box 4 because it goes back to box 4 right here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th box, so we'll repeat most of this box here at that point. Now, at the right hand, we have D sharp, F sharp, B. Now, we can see continually we have D sharp and F sharp in every chord here, so I'm just kind of go through and look at the top note. B, B, and then change it to an A, B, A, and then just F sharp and D only, and then add a C sharp on top, and then while holding that, change the top note to a B. Like that. So we have... Alright, let me do that box for you slowly right here. Alright, let me start that again here. Same sort of thing here. We have F sharp, A, and D. We have F sharp and A continually there. So I'm just going to talk about the top note here. D, 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 C, D, C. Just the A and the F sharp only here. And then add an E on the top. And then back to D. So, alright. Let me put hands together slowly for this box. Do box 4 again, except don't do these last 4 octaves. We're going to do this. Bum, 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 which is B, C sharp, D sharp, and B. And in the right hand we have D sharp, F sharp, B. That's such a man. So that's what we're doing here. So let's just do this little part here. Alright, now, the way the vocals are going here, you can't really do it on piano very well, so I gave it my best here to make it sound like, oh man. You can't do, blues notes like that and sag the pitch and all that. So I did my best here with making it sound like the vocals. We're going to have G sharp, B, and E, and then C sharp, and then we're going to have G sharp and B together, and then G and E, and then B, D sharp, F sharp. So we have, starting here with the right hand, such a mean old man. Okay, doesn't sound too bad. Now, left hand we're doing the E thing that we did right here. So those are the chords for this part. And then we're going to have C, C on the octave, C octave, C octave, and then C, E, G, and then another C, E, G. I didn't put it in there, so I just put a line there. Play that chord again there. Okay, so 2 times like we've been doing, and then just a B octave there. Putting it together. We have together, together, and then left, and then together, and then left, and then together, and then left, and then together. Now that sounds bad if you isolate it. If you're going fast, it's going to sound just fine. And then the B octave there. So starting here. Okay, something that'll help is if you'll not play your left hand very loud right there. That will help, okay? And that's really all the parts to that song.